Oi, what do you get when you put chocolate kisses in a blender? A smoochie. Hello, I'm Fernando from Mart Restaurant Supply. Prepping your food and drinks by hand can introduce more costs to your bottom line, whether it's through extra time being spent, more labor, or increased food waste. Vitamix blenders work to cut all three of those down so you can maximize your profits and turn around products much faster. Each of these blenders features a sturdy base with simple controls. With just the turn of a knob and the push of a button, you're ready to get blending. The motors go up to 3 horsepower of output, ensuring that they can cut through any of your ingredients. The blades and assemblies of these blenders are made out of stainless steel, ensuring lasting use and resistance to food acids and juices. The containers are made from high-impact plastic that can handle the day-to-day use, and each features measurements on them so you can get good portions on your batches. And the pour spout allows for mess-free pouring into any cup. All in all, these blenders are a food service staple, and that's why Smart stocks them when you need them now. Right here on this side, I have the drink machine line. These are great for having in your bar, smoothie shop, or if you want to make any other drinks within that realm. On this side, we have the Vita-Prep line. These are good for meal prep businesses, restaurant kitchens, and other applications where you need to make purees, dips, butters, and much more with food ingredients. So, if you want to shop more Vitamix blenders or accessories like parts, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today, or show up online at asmart.com.